some changes in our existing code. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we have this existing code already created. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now what we can do, we can make it in a separate file. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we are removing the provider from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's not remove the providers. Let's remove the code. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll create a file. We'll do ec2.tf, or we can name it as main.tf. Okay, whatever.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So let's do one thing. Let's deploy it. So you know what I'll going to do first. I'll go to do Terraform plan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what exactly it's saying?
It's like duplicate resource.
So why
A
it's saying
resource
duplicate
name.
resource?
It already declared.
Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's do Terraform init first. Okay. So in providers.tf line number 8. Providers.tf line number 8. Have any line here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, maybe we have not saved it. Okay. Let's save all the files.
Yes, sir.
Let's save. Now you do Terraform init. Okay. Actually, the
Yes.
file was not saved. Okay. So it was reading the providers.tf line number 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because we didn't save the file. Okay. So now I'll go to Terraform apply directly. Okay. One to add. See, one to add, 0 to change, and 0 to
Yes, sir.
destroy. Okay. So I'm going to enter yes. So it's going to create the EC2 instance, right? So let me log in. Okay, so you see it has created one resource, 0
Yes, sir.
change, 0 destroyed. Okay, and this is the EC2 instance ID, right? And we will see it in the EC2 dashboard. And this is the Ohio region.
Yes, sir. We need to change. I think we should change the location.
So I think West 2 we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the instance ID you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
And in the tags as well, you can see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what we can do, we can make some changes in this, right? So let's do one thing. Let's make it T2 dot large. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we'll make one changes in the environment like tags as well. So let's add it and name it like name environment. Okay, class Terraform session. Okay,
Yes.
I think class is not supported one. That's why it's saying. Okay, so let's make it. Okay,
Yes.
there are some names that are not supported. Okay, you cannot
Yes.
name them, right? And uh, so let's save it. Now I'll do Terraform plan. Each time you not need to do Terraform init. Okay, that is not
Yes,
required.
sir.
So that is only needed once in a working directory.
Okay,
It's
sir.
not that you need to do it every time.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to do Terraform plan.
Yes, sir.
So now you see what exactly it is doing. It is refreshing the state first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you see Terraform was refreshing the state. Okay.
Yes, sir. Now,
And
I
now
also read that now Terraform refresh is not needed, like it will automatically refresh.
maybe that is in the later changes, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see. So now you see that plus minus part, right? That you were talking about that day, right? So,
Yes, sir.
so Terraform use the selected providers to generate the following executive plans. Resource actions are indicated. Okay. So what exactly, it means it is going to change this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ID is this. So means ID will remain same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The C4598. Okay. It is not going to destroy. See,
Yes, sir.
it is not going to destroy it. Let's see whether it will destroy it or not. Okay. But as of now,
Yes, sir.
Terraform is showing that it is not going to be destroyed. Okay. Then
Yes,
you see this will be added. Clear. And then
yes, sir.
instance type will be changed from T2 micro to
T2 develop.
T2 large. Okay. Now Terraform. So you see the message is it is modifying. Okay. If it is like destroying, so it would have first destroyed it and recreated
Yes.
it. Okay. And you would have seen
Yes.
that plus minus, right? Okay. Like resource
Yes.
would be added and resource will be deleted. Okay. So, but it is about the modifying now. Okay. It is modifying existing. You can see here.
Yes,
It
sir.
is making changes in existing. Even you can see the changes are there. Okay. Already.
Yes, sir.
Okay. T2 dot large. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understand how to
Yes,
change
sir.
what exactly happens behind the changes, right? Okay. If you
Yes.
change the AMI, in that case, it would delete the EC2 instance. Okay. Let's try
Okay.
that as well. See, Terraform is all about, done. Okay, be
Yes, sir.
like playing with it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
like you need to just see what exactly is happening. Then this way only you can like crack the exam. Exam is
Yes,
very easy. Okay, it's just that you should be very aware. Awareness
yes,
is must. Just going to change the AMI. AMI. Okay, and I'll put this AMI. Okay, and I'll message like, okay, this is went to AMI free tier. So you would be knowing that by putting hash, we can put any comment, right? And this is not readable, correct?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I put hash on line number 2 before AMI, so it means now it is non-readable. It is just a comment. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
You must this fact or not. If you know the programming language, you
Sir.
must be
Yes, sir.
knowing this. And I'll change this to T2 start mic, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's again do Terraform plan. Now you see the plus minus part that you were asking me
Yes,
that
sir.
day. And now you see Terraform use this at plus minus plus destroy and then create replacement. Okay.
Okay.
First it will destroy and then
Minus.
create the replacement.
Yes,
Terraform
sir.
will perform the following actions, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you see this particular instance this time will not going to be modified. It will be replaced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it will be replaced with AMI ID this to AMI ID this because it is also showing what exactly is causing or forcing the replacement. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now this is the part that is forcing the replacement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because it cannot be modified. It can only be replaced. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see what changes you will see. You will see the changes in AR and IP address availability zone. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then what would be
Yes, sir.
added and what will be replaced? Now you see the minus part, right?
Yes, sir.
One to add and one to destroy. This time nothing to change because it
Yes,
is
sir.
not changing.
The minus
It is
part, like
giving
it will be like removed, and the plus
destroyed.
part will
Yes,
be added, sir.
yes. It's kind of a replacement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means minus part will be removed now and plus part would be added. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So difference between change when it is changing or modifying when it is replacing. Understand the
Yes, sir.
things. This way you should be able to read the code. Okay. Because whenever you
Yes, sir.
stuck in any error, okay,
Yes,
or something, right? So you can
yes, sir.
do this. That is
If
why
we
we say,
change the
Terraform
main
plan.
part of the code, means it will like replace it.
Yeah, maybe like heart of the
Simple
like
modifying things means it will
yes,
like just
it's not
do the
about
thing.
simple. Okay, you should be knowing. Okay, what if I this change? It will make
Yes, sir.
modification or it will do the changes.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, if you change the AMI of the EC2 instance, definitely can do the change. If you go to the console manually, okay,
No,
let's go
sir.
to the console manually. Okay, whatever you cannot do manually, you cannot do Terraform as well. So can you go here and can you change the AMI ID? No,
No.
right? You cannot make the changes, the AMI ID. That is why it is what it is the termination. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But tags, adding tags, you can anytime add tags. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And remember, if you add tags, okay, we'll see this case as well. Okay. So now you see here. Now we have the another EC2 instance created. See, instance type can be changed. Okay, so that is why it was able to modify it. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
But AMI ID cannot be changed directly. So that is why it has to be deleted and replaced. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But it is saying this action is available when the EC2 instance is stored. Okay.
Yes.
So you need to understand,
If you want to
what
change
things.
instant type means it will not destroy and change by stopping in the Terraform.
Yes.
Yes.
See, that is what I'm saying. Listen to me very carefully.
Yes.
The thing that you can do manually, okay,
Yes.
without destroying that, same thing you can do with the Terraform as well. Clear?
Yes.
That is the whole thing. Okay.
Yes.
So now you see it's added. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. So go to Terraform state.
Yes.
Just go to tags here. What are the tags added? Can you see the tags part here? See, these are 3 tags, okay,
Yes.
that are added. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the manual, right? We'll go and manage tags. We will add a new tag, okay?
Yes.
Let's do one thing. Let's add new tag. Uh, date type manual. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Or let's say cost center. Center. I'll add tray training. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And let's
Yes.
save it. So now manually we have added one more tag, right?
Yes. Sir.
The training 1, 2, 3 training session Terraform is instance. Okay, these are the 4 tags now we have, but
Yes.
inside the code, what we have only
3 tags.
3 tags. So now let's do one thing. Let's run Terraform plan and see what exactly it is going to do. So what should happen in this scenario? Any guess?
Like it will show the added tag in the plan or any errors. I think it will show the tag what we added manually.
So you see, even it is not here. Okay, even
Yes.
that is not a part of your code, but you have added that manually. Okay,
Yes.
Terraform now is that much strong. It can detect the manual changes as well. Okay,
Yes.
earlier it used to do errors. Okay,
Yes.
now you see
Now there's.
it is saying this, right? So one to
Yes.
change, right? So now let's say what will happen. I think it is going to remove it. Okay, because it is, but it is being added manually.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now let's do apply. Make sure you write these things right somewhere, in a notepad or somewhere. Okay, just
Yes,
when we
sir.
do add something in manually, okay, and we do Terraform plan, what exactly happens, right? Okay, These
Yes.
things you should be writing. These are the
Yes.
scenarios, right?
Yes.
Nobody is going to tell this. Just write somewhere. This will help you in interview as well. Now you see one to one changed. Okay, now let's go to the EC2 instance and refresh. Now see, okay, again it is reversed back to the code, okay, that we have. Okay,
Yes.
you understand? This is the
Yes.
scenario one. Okay, so just make a note. Scenario one. Now the scenario two. Let's add the tag again. Now let's add the same tag. What was the tag? Code center. Okay.
Yes.
Now the tag value. Let's take training 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we again added, right? So last time what happens? If you do Terraform plan, Terraform will detect this tag, okay, that this is manually added, and as whenever next time you run Terraform apply, it is going to destroy that. Clear? Now let's
Yes.
do one thing. Now this time I'll do one thing. I'll go here in the code and I'll add this tag.
Yes.
Tag
Like if we manually added means the tag will be destroyed, sir, while
removed.
applying.
Yes, yes, yes. And on the next apply, it will be removed because it is not a part of your state file. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why. So
So since it is not in the state file, like it will be destroyed.
yes, everything is depend on the state file only. Okay.
Okay.
See, now I have now it is now I have added this in the code.
Yes.
Yes, now let's run Terraform plan. Now see what happens. What it is saying, see
Your infrastructure
changes.
manages the configuration. Like we have added
Okay.
in the both, so it
In
will
the
be added in the state
what
file.
about the state file? We have not, it is not applied. Okay. What happens in the state file? What do you think? This center, the manual part being added in the state file or not? So let's check that. Now you see it is not yet added.
Not added. Sir.
It is not added yet. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come again. Just write these scenarios. Okay. So now how
Yes,
to
sir.
add, right? Because the state file
Yes.
should be up to date, right? But
Yes,
when
sir.
we run Terraform plan, it's saying that your infrastructure is up to date. Okay. So let's do one thing. We can do Terraform refresh. Let's do Terraform apply. Okay. First, let's say
Yes.
what happens. We have to see by running all commands. Okay. What
While
exactly is happening.
planning, like it will check with the AWS alone, sir.
Yeah. By planning, it will read the code. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But right, it is reading the code. It is matching it with the state file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you see you applied it. Okay. So after applying, you can see it is
Yes.
added. Clear?
Yes. But why when we are planning, like it says your infrastructure matches the configuration?
Because see what is happening when you are planning. Okay, it is saying
Yes.
it is seeing if there is any changes, right? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it is not detecting that. It's saying that because your code is up to date and that like on AWS also it has that tag, right? But while when
Yes,
you
sir.
apply also, okay, when you also apply it, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't make any
Yes.
changes, right? You see, zero resource added, zero change, zero destroyed. But what it did, it refreshed the state file. Okay, because on
Okay.
plan, I think we have read it right. On plan,
Yes, sir.
it doesn't do anything in the state file, in the Terraform state file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Terraform state file only gets updated when you execute something like you destroy
Yes, sir.
or you apply. Okay, or you change,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Or
Yes.
you Terraform refresh. Okay, so Terraform plan doesn't make any changes in the state file. Clear? Even
Yes, sir.
applying it, it's saying your infrastructure matches with the configuration. Okay, so Terraform has compared your real infrastructure against your configuration and found no differences, so no changes are needed, right? So you see 0, 0, 0, but it has updated your state file.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So all scenarios cleared.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can go through this. I think. Have you read this state?
Yes, sir. Like I've read the first paragraph.
Okay. So just do this change part as well. Okay. Clear? Just read
Yes.
about it. Change. You read this right page.
What we have
Clear?
done today only is the change, sir.
Yes. Change and
Like the
destroy we
destroying
already
and
did,
add.
right?
Yes, sir.
And then variables, right? Okay. Next part we will be doing the variables. Okay. That is the later part. As of now, I just want you to be clear with all the basic
Yes,
commands, right? What exactly is happening when we run this command,
sir.
right? So that we can move to the next part. Okay, next part of our code, right? Clear? Then we will do
Yes,
the
sir.
modification in our code, right? How to use variables and all those stuffs.
Yes.